Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today I'm going to be trying, I'm gonna drop them, child, these Pattern Beauty products by Tracee Ellis Ross. So if you'd like to see more, then just stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into this video. I have been trying to get my hands on these products for at least 2 or 3 weeks now, ever since they dropped. But every time I jumped on there and tried to buy the full package, it was gone. So one day I just decided to go on Ulta, since I knew they sold it in Ulta. I never thought to look on Ulta online. So I was like, you know what, I don't even know if this product is going to work with my hair. So I bought all travel size, and I'm glad I did it that way because I was able to pick up all the products that were specific to my hair type. I didn't realize that it wasn't a one size fit all. You can get the loose curls or you can get the tight textures, and obviously I'm one of the tight textures. So I'm glad I did it that way. I'm glad it worked out this way.
Starting with the Pattern Hydration Shampoo, as I squeezed it out, it was very creamy, and honestly it really didn't even take much of the shampoo for me to lather it up and, you know, create a little bit of suds there for my hair. And as I was working it through my hair, it does feel very moisturizing, and I can feel the oil that is in here to keep it moisturized. This shampoo is sulfate and paraben free, as well as free of silicones, and it's color safe. And make sure you stay tuned towards the end to know whether this product and other products are worth the hype or save your money. And yeah, my hair overall just felt moisturized and clean by the time I rinsed it out. Next up is the heavy conditioner for coilies. And what I love about this line is that they do have particular products specifically for coily and tight textures like mine, because I can't use the same products as someone with a looser texture. And what I love about this product is that it is super thick. And I know my face is not really showing it. It's kind of looking a little bit like, what? But that's because I'm not used to this. I've never seen a conditioner be this thick before. And I was thrown off a little bit at first, but then I realized I love thick products for my hair. And so it really didn't even take much of this product to coat my hair. I didn't have to use as much product because it was so thick. And you do want to make sure your hair is super duper wet when applying it, but as long as your hair is wet, it will coat your hair. And it's so thick, it feels so buttery, and I made sure to cover every single strand with it. I also wanted to make sure it was a good conditioner to detangle my hair with, and it doesn't have as much slip as I would like, but you know, I mean, it did the job. But as you can see, it's, you know, I kind of did have a little tough time running my comb through it. This product is also free of parabens, sulfates, and silicones, and also color safe. And my hair was super moisturized by the time I rinsed this out. It was in there for about 5 minutes, but it really had my hair and curls popping, so I really liked it. Next is the intensive conditioner for tight textures, and it gives you extreme moisture and restoration. And I can't even lie, I was very skeptical by this product when I first squeezed it out. I was like, I don't know about this one. I did have to use a lot of this product. I squeezed a lot of it out because I wanted to make sure my hair was completely coated. For someone with color treated hair, the mask and like the deep conditioning process is the most important part of my wash day, in my opinion. So as I applied this to my hair, I was just hoping that it would moisturize the way the bottle said it would. And so yeah, I'll let y'all know how I felt about it in the next clip, but it seemed like my hair was, you know, really responding to it in this clip.
So I really did like the intensive conditioner. Like, this is something that I think I'm gonna go back and buy more of. As far as the extreme moisture and restoration, I feel like my hair definitely got that. So yeah, I didn't even have to sit under a dryer or anything, so that really impressed me. I like that one. So now we're about to move on to the Pattern Leave-In Conditioner, Define and Moisturize. It says apply to soaking wet conditioned hair evenly, distribute it to all strands. And then it says, you know, to add a few drops of the argan oil. So I don't have the oil, but I do have my own oil. My favorite oil is Black Jamaican Castor Oil, so I will be using this along with the product. I never just use a leave-in conditioner when I twist my hair. I always use a cream. I do the LOC method because that's just the way my hair retains moisture. It's the best way. This collection doesn't have a cream. As far as I know, I looked and I didn't see a cream. Let me see the texture. Okay, it has a nice little texture though. The leave-in conditioner doesn't feel very watery. It has like a moisture. It kind of just moisturized my hands just now. That was a little dry. Anyway, I'm gonna be doing a flat twist out today. So I'm just gonna go ahead and part my hair on the side that I want the part on. It's not gonna be perfect, by the way, guys. My flat twists are never perfect, and I have nails now too. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna wet my hair a little bit more because it said the product works best on wet hair. So I'm gonna wet it a little bit. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit out. And once again, the product smells like a fresh banana. Like this product smells like banana, but not like the little fake banana smell. Like the little you know, like banana flavored thing smells. It never really smells like a true banana, just like a banana artificial smell. No, this smells like an actual banana. And I'm actually very pleased by that. Okay, so it's got my hair feeling a little moisturized. I'm gonna add a little oil. The oil, the Black Jamaican Castor Oil. You know what, y'all? I'm just gonna try it with just the conditioner because I really want to see how it's gonna work on my hair just by itself, because it claims to work on coily hair by itself. So I'm gonna use it on its own. I'm gonna add a little bit more. I was gonna use a cream, but I'm gonna add a little bit more just to make sure my hair is fully moisturized. I'm a little nervous because I usually add a cream, but let's see. It might actually do more than I think it's capable of. And if you need a tutorial on how to flat twist, I'm gonna have to like direct you to another video because I can't even really explain how to do it. I'm gonna be honest. It's like muscle memory at this point. But if you can kind of like follow what my fingers are doing, then maybe that'll help. I don't know. I feel like my hair feels pretty moisturized with this conditioner, so let's just cross our fingers and hope that it works. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my head. All right, y'all, my hair is all twisted. Seems like it's working well so far, but we'll see how it is tomorrow. So I'll see you in the next clip. Okay, y'all, so y'all see how my hair turned out. One thing I was noticing as I was taking my hair down is that my hair did feel very soft, and I did get the definition that the product promised. This actually works good by itself. Like, I didn't really have any confidence that this was gonna work by itself. I had a product ready to use, a cream ready to use, and they did not lie. My hair is fully moisturized. I did get the definition, but for those of you who don't know, I prefer volume over definition, so that's why I went ahead and picked my hair out anyway, because I like to have a little, you know, volume to my hair, and I love frizz. So I did get the definition. You can still see the definition here and there, and it is color safe, so you don't have to worry about your color fading or anything. It looks amazing.
So is this product worth the hype? This smaller bottle is $9, and I feel like it was money well spent. Would I buy the bigger bottle in the future? I think I will, because I do think the conditioner is very moisturizing for my hair, and I haven't experienced that with many leave-in conditioners on its own. So in my opinion, yes, this is worth the hype and worth the money.
The hydration shampoo, it did give me a nice lather. I do think this is a really good shampoo if you're looking for one that doesn't leave your hair feeling dry when you're done. This is a really good one to use. It is sulfate free, which is something I love in a shampoo. I think those work the best on my hair. It's color safe. It didn't bother my color whatsoever.
While I like the shampoo, I don't think I will repurchase this product, especially in the larger form, because I have shampoo already that works the same way, but it's cheaper in price. So for that reason alone, I probably wouldn't repurchase.
So the heavy conditioner, the thing that I love about this conditioner is that it is very thick, and I told y'all before in some of my other videos, the thicker the product, usually thicker products work the best on my hair. And so when I squeezed this product out, and it like was so thick that I couldn't even like kind of move it around, that might have thrown some people off, but that actually made me excited because I knew my hair was going to be coated. I like this conditioner. It really worked well with my hair.
The main thing I loved about this conditioner is that because it's so thick, I didn't have to use as much product. And so because of the super thickness of it that I haven't experienced with other conditioners, I would repurchase this conditioner, and I do think it's worth buying. I think it would last, and yeah, I just really like it.
Now my favorite product was the intensive conditioner. I am not gonna lie, when I first squeezed it out and I felt it in my hands and I applied it to my hair, I wasn't really totally convinced that my hair would like it. But after I let it sit for like 15 minutes while I was in the shower and let the steam really get into it. That's what I do with all my deep conditioners. And when I let this sit on my hair and when I rinsed it out and I felt my hair afterwards, it really was like my hair got a complete makeover. I definitely see myself buying the big jar that I saw in Ulta. I definitely see myself buying that once this runs out. Yeah, it's really on par with a lot of the hair masks that I love. So I would definitely, out of all these products, if I had to recommend one, I would definitely say at least try this one. This one is really good. Do I think they're the best products I've ever tried? Not necessarily, but I think they are on par with a lot of the products that I love. My hair is bleached, it's color treated, so I need hydrating products. That's like not a if or maybe. I need thick products that work with my thick kinky curly hair, and these products do that. And I've seen some people didn't like it. I've seen some people love it. I'm one of those people that love it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. Have you tried the products yet? Are you going to try them after this video? And I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace. Fighting crime, trying to save the world. Here they come just in time. The Powerpuff Girls. Power pop.